Now today I am going to start the first chapter of this unit, that is molecular symmetry. Now this chapter or this concept, molecular symmetry, you have not studied before TYBSc. Now what is symmetry? Now Greek meaning of syn, S-Y-N, syn means together, and metron means to measure. So the overall or the simple meaning of symmetry is to measure together. To measure together. Basically, symmetry is the study of mutual relationship between parts of an object with respect to its magnitude and position. So in this symmetry, just we are going to study about the relationship between various parts of object. Object means here molecule. The relationship between various parts of the molecule means various bonds, bond angles of the molecules with respect to magnitude and position. Symmetry, it is well known to us, and in nature, plants and animals, they are highly symmetrical. You know, some various plants and animals are symmetrical. For example, human body, it has a bilateral symmetry. Butterfly, it is symmetrical. Similarly, animals, you can see this animal, it is symmetrical. It has a bilateral symmetry. Birds are having symmetry, specific symmetry. Flower, this flower is also symmetrical. So in nature, we observe many objects which are symmetrical. Plants and animals are symmetrical. Not only in nature, but the structures like temples, artificial structures like temples, churches and other buildings, these are also highly symmetrical. As an example, you can see this Taj Mahal, it is a symmetrical. So symmetry, it is observed not only in nature, but many artificial structures are highly symmetrical. Now as far as crystalline solids are concerned, you know, in crystalline solid there is a specific arrangement of atoms, ions or molecules. There is a orderly arrangement of molecules, and because of this orderly arrangement, symmetry is observed in these crystalline solids, and the symmetry, it is also seen or reflected in molecules as well. So a molecule, it is said to possess symmetry when the parts of molecule can be interchanged without changing the orientation of molecule. Now what is the meaning of symmetry? How it is applied to molecule? A molecule is said to possess symmetry only when the parts of molecule can be interchanged without changing the orientation of molecule. After considering example, you will have an idea, or the point will be cleared, or this definition gets cleared only after discussion of one example. But question may be asked on this definition. What is symmetry? The answer is, a molecule is said to possess symmetry when parts of molecule can be interchanged without changing the orientation of molecule. We'll take example of hydrogen molecule. Actually, in hydrogen molecule, two equivalent structures or orientations are possible, and therefore hydrogen molecule is symmetrical. So you know, hydrogen molecule is linear. There are two hydrogen atoms joined by means of covalent bond. Just for simplicity, just to recognize this left side hydrogen, it is marked as A, and this right side hydrogen, say it is B hydrogen. As such, hydrogen atoms are same, there is no difference. But for our knowledge, to recognize two different hydrogen atoms, one is marked as A and other is marked as B. Now suppose there is a mirror placed exactly at the center of this covalent bond. Obviously, this atom, hydrogen atom B, it will be reflected in this mirror and it will go to the left side. At the same time, this hydrogen A, it is also reflected in this mirror and it will go to the right side. So after reflection, molecule will look like this. B atom will come to the left side and hydrogen A will go to the right side. But the overall orientation of hydrogen molecule is same. Covalent bond is on the paper in both the cases, and if A and B, we are not marking A and B, then one cannot distinguish between these two molecules, and therefore these are the two same orientations, and therefore symmetry is observed in hydrogen molecule. Again, you just go through this definition. A molecule is said to possess symmetry when parts of molecule can be interchanged without changing the orientation of molecule. Here parts of molecule are interchanged but orientation remains the same, and therefore hydrogen is a symmetrical. In hydrogen there is a symmetry. This is one example. Now in this chapter we are going to discuss several examples of symmetry. Before that, what is the importance of molecular symmetry? Why we are going to study this molecular symmetry? So molecular symmetry plays very important role in the measurement of certain physical properties of substances like optical activity, dipole moment, conformational analysis, etc. Symmetry plays important role in the determination of structure of molecules. Molecules have various structures like tetrahedral, square planar, octahedral, trigonal, bipyramidal. Okay, so that structure can be determined with the knowledge of molecular symmetry. Then symmetry plays very important role in the construction and labeling of molecular orbitals. In molecular orbital theory, you studied that atomic orbitals combine and there is a formation of molecular orbitals, and each and every orbital has a specific name or label. So that labeling of molecular orbital, it is based on molecular symmetry. Even the molecular orbital diagram is drawn by considering the nature of molecular orbitals or atomic orbitals. So this molecular symmetry plays very important role in the construction and labeling of molecular orbitals. Molecular symmetry also plays important role to classify electronic states and normal modes of vibrations in the molecule, thereby to identify the functional groups by IR spectroscopy. So with the knowledge of molecular symmetry, one can identify the functional group with the help of IR spectroscopy. Actually, in IR spectroscopy, the concept of IR spectroscopy, it is based on electronic states and normal modes of vibrations, and basically molecular symmetry helps to classify electronic states and normal modes of vibrations, and there is a correlation between these modes of vibration and IR spectroscopy. So indirectly molecular symmetry helps to identify the functional groups, especially in organic compounds. So this is very important application. So this point is important for examination also. Simple question may be asked. What do you mean by symmetry? Write the importance of molecular symmetry. So that time you need to write the simple definition of molecular symmetry and these points to elaborate the importance of molecular symmetry.